Hello everyone, I'm Nancy Ogbebor and you are definitely welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you all are doing great. Today I'll be showing you another method on how to increase your blood level. So keep watching. So today I'll be showing you how I achieve this drink. And these are the recipes I'm going to be using. I have my garden egg leaf and this is how it looks like. And it has different species, but this is the species I'm going to be working with today, and it's very rich in vitamins. These are the seeds, and I have two colors there, and I'll be using a glass of milk for this recipe, and I have a little chunk of ginger root that I'll be adding to it to give it a sweet taste. So we'll be washing this to avoid sand or other unwanted materials. This recipe is a blood booster. It increases your blood. You can take it regularly if you want to trim down, but if not, take it occasionally. Okay, so we're going to be dicing this garden egg leaf now. So in my blender I'll be adding my 1 cup of milk, and I'll be adding in, so my milk is in my blender now. I'll be adding in my garden egg seed and my ginger. And the garden egg seed, I've removed the stem and it's washed already. So my garden egg leaf is being washed and chopped, so I'll be putting it in now, and we'll be blending all this to give it a good look. Don't forget to subscribe, click on the notification buttons to get more of my videos, and drop a comment at the comment section for me. Okay, so I'm done with blending, and I'll be running this through a sieve now to give it a better look. Please give me a thumbs up if you like this video. This will help me very well. So this is all you do, and you get your beautiful juice. And this juice is very rich. This juice can also tone your color, make your color to come out, and it also flushes out every toxin from your body. Okay, so this is how it is, and I'm gonna see you in my next one.